Hi, so today we're going to talk about the Clear Cell range from Image Skincare. So this range is really targeted for anyone that's got acneic skin, congested skin, blocked pores, and a really oily complexion. You might find that if you've got acneic skin, the skin might be a bit sensitive if it's, red, or sometimes it can look a little bit purple. You might be better off using the Vital C range first, just to treat your redness and your sensitivity, and then you can move on to the Clear Cell. Just because obviously in the Clear Cell it does contain salicylic acid, it's not anything to be worried about. It's quite a gentle acid on the skin, but it might find that if you are particularly sensitive that it might irritate it a bit. So by treating your sensitivity first, it means then that when you go on to something that's slightly stronger and will work on your blocked pores and maybe your boils, you're not going to have that irritation on the skin. Salicylic acid is really good because it works on clearing out your pores. So it travels down into your pores. It's almost like a tornado effect, clearing it out and drawing it to the surface. With this, it helps to kill off the bacteria that's causing those blocked pores as well. So then it's going to prevent it from spreading around on the face. With this as well, it also helps to exfoliate the skin. So sometimes people find that, particularly in acneic skins, is that their skin is sort of like regenerating itself quite quickly, and there's a lot of dead skin on the surface, and without removing that dead skin properly, that can actually block your pores even more, causing your natural sebum in your skin to then become blocked, and then that's what can cause those boils and that congestion. So the salicylic acid is really good at helping to work on that and clear it for you. With this range, there's a few products in there which you can use all together, or you might find that actually picking and choosing will help you to use certain things for certain conditions for your skin. So you do actually have the cleanser. The cleanser is really good to use morning and night. Some people find though that actually using it morning and night every day is too drying on the skin, because it does dry your excess oil out. This one is something that you would then tend to do, like just to monitor yourself. So I would always start off with maybe doing it 2 to 3 times just in the evening, and if you find then that your skin is still quite oily, you can up it slightly. Don't go in and use it morning and night straight away, because you will find that your skin will become quite dry, maybe a bit irritated. It is usually sort of 2 to 3 times a week. I would always do it in the evening as well, because obviously you're using acids on the skin. If you did it in the morning and then you go out and it's hot, sunny, you might find that actually it'll be too sensitive. So always do it in the evening. It is a foaming cleanser, so 1 pump, apply it to damp skin, massage all over the face and neck. You can use this on the body, so if you've got any acne areas on the body, you can use it on those areas as well, to help to dry those that congestion out for you. Wash off and then obviously apply your serums and your moisturizer afterwards. So they do actually do a restoring serum. You can use this morning and night, apply it underneath your moisturizer. This is going to help to control the sebums. It's going to help to reduce any oiliness. It's going to help to sort of calm and soothe the skin. It's going to help to break down any blockages and any congestion on the skin as well. Then you can apply your moisturizer. So there is actually 2 types. You've got the clarifying lotion. So lotion is more of a lightweight moisturizer. It's not thick, it's not gloopy, it's not rich, it's not going to make you feel greasy. With the lotion, it just seeps in. You don't really feel it on the surface of the skin, and it just helps to sort of calm, soothe, hydrate, and also control that congestion on the skin. Again, that you would use morning and night. They do actually have a mattifying moisturizer, so it depends on how oily you are. A lot of people find that because they've got the oily T-zone, that they have got an oily skin. That most people tend to have an oily T-zone, and that's not really what we would class as an oily skin. So with if you're finding that maybe at the end of the day your makeup's completely like slid off your skin, you're oily on your cheeks, not just on your T-zone, then you could try the mattifying moisturizer. So again, with this, use it morning and night, and just a thin layer all over the face. You can take it down on the neck as well. Some people do actually use the clarifying lotion maybe in the morning or in the evening, and then use the mattifying moisturizer the other time. So you can mix it up a little bit as well. They also have the clarifying mask. So again, with the mask, you use you use 2 times a week. Apply thin layer all over to the face and neck, and you can apply it on again any areas of the body that you've got congestion as well. Leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. You can build it up if you wanted to leave it on for longer. Don't go straight into leaving it on for 20-30 minutes. Build it up slowly over the weeks. If your skin again becomes too dry, then obviously cut back a little bit. Then they've got the scrub, the clarifying scrub. So the scrub, you need to be a bit gentle, particularly if you have a lot of redness on the skin. If you are sensitive, it may not be something that is suitable for you to use right now, because you don't want to be causing more extra sensitivity to that area. With the scrub, apply it onto damp skin and massage all over the face and neck, any areas of the body that has the congestion as well. This will help to get rid of that dead skin, bring that nice fresh, like new healthy skin to the surface. Helps to unclog pores as well. With this, use it twice a week. You could build it up to 3 times a week if you wanted to, but again, you need to assess how your skin's feeling. You do not want to be getting to the point where your skin is becoming so sensitive that you can't put anything on the skin either. So really, watch your skin, how it's feeling. Obviously, if it is starting to get a bit dry or a bit sensitive, then just cut back the amount of times that you're using it. So that's the Clear Cell range. So again, this is really good for anyone that has acne skin, really oily skin, so all over the face, and congested skins.